Matam amada library kayada Chattuna Thinaramba information shing Ngasidi smartphone gi mateng na irai Laina Phanghanba Ngamle haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra na phongdorakli. Manipur University ki Department of Statistics na sinduna chayol ama chupna chathagadaba data analysis using Excel and SPSS haina mingthonba workshop amanga se hodokpagi thoramda wafam ase mahakna phongdokibani. Manipur University ki Department of Commerce ki Commerce Hall da pangthokiba thoram aduda mahakna makatan hai ngasi hodokliba thoram ase leikhidraba Professor BM Singh ningsingbo oina pangthokpani. Professor BM Singh Manipur gi saknairaba statistician amane Oja asina Manipur University ki Department of Statistics ase mai pakpa amadi mapangal leiba department ama oinaba angamba thakta honarame. Hojikti department asida leiriba Oja Singh nasu akan mamungda hotnabadagi mapangal leiba amadi afaba department ama oiba ngamle. Ngasidi artificial intelligence ase nomunomagi chawkhalakli loinana data kaya ama manage tawbada Excel amasung SPSS na chawna mateng pangba ngamle. Asigumba workshop asigi makataba servista tongan ba department singi mahiroi kayana saru yahana bohana se hainasu mahakna makatana apil tawki. Professor BM Singh photo da leisu katuna ikai khumnaba utkiba workshop hudopagi thawramaduda Manipur University ki School of Mathematical and Physical Sciences ki Dean Professor Sumitra Fanjobam University asigi Department of Statistics ke Head Professor Salam Opendra amadi workshop asigi convener Dr. Salam Santikumar na maru oiba mithung lensing oina sarukyaki.
And very frequently I see that, because history department was also in the same building, in the old social science building. Very frequently I see that having interactions, having meetings, and then, of course, Dr. Matam was also there, subsequently. And it was under his wings and his overall command and leadership that the Department of Statistics grew. And now, I'm very proud to say that the Department of Statistics, with younger people, and Dr. Santikumar, who is also helping the university as a statistical analyst and as a person who provides all the important data to the University Grants Commission as well as the Minister of Education.